Hey guys, how's it going? It's Riley, back again with another video. And today I've actually got audio. It's like midnight when I'm recording this, so I have to be kind of quiet. But we should be good. I thought, what the heck? I'll do another video on this. It's fun for me to play. I've been playing it for a while. I'll actually show you guys my truck here. That's the truck. I'll show you. That's what I've got done to the motor, the brakes, and the tires. I got to upgrade that a little bit more. It's got pretty good flex. As you can see, my suspension is all the way down, so it's as soft as it'll go. My tires, they're not quite big as they'll go. I'm not actually gonna make them go all the way. That's obviously my rims and everything. I think they look pretty cool. I've got the hood stack, which I personally like the best. I want to add the roll cage and a couple more of the light bars and stuff on it, but as you can see, I don't have enough money right now. So, and that's obviously the paint. So let's get to driving it a little bit more. Go and find that goat, run over it. Oh, crap. This is obviously just a portable game, I guess is what you'd call it. It's on my phone. I think it runs pretty good. It gets pretty laggy though, and it just kicks up a lot of dust, but oh well. Was a pretty weird sound. And maybe some of you guys can hear it. I don't know, maybe not. But my friend is laughing at me here in the background. So. And there's the goat. Run over it. There we go. More money. Guys, let me know what your favorite camera to use is, and your favorite vehicle. Mine's obviously the Dodge here. My favorite camera is number 2. I just like the way it's zoomed out and everything. I just find it a lot nicer. I got the Dodge right off the start, kind of just by cheating the game a little bit off the start. My friend helped me with that, so. I guess you guys could say that I cheated the game, I guess. I also didn't have the truck in low the whole time, like I did last time, which I didn't realize till after I watched it afterwards. So it kind of sucked, but... See if we can't do a couple little drifts here. Well, this is kind of sucking a little bit. I usually can do drifts pretty well, but it's not working for me there tonight. Oh, there we go. We almost lost her, but we didn't. I'll hit the ramp right quick. Well, that sucked. We'll do a little bit of mount crawling, I guess, and then I'll end the video there, guys. She doesn't want to climb the mountain tonight. I don't normally do this, but it's kind of being a pain in the ass a little bit there tonight, so... Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Comment if you want me to do more videos of this or not. And I'll see you guys later.